I am V. Ravi Kumar, retired district and session judge. Today, I wanted to give a brief idea on adversarial and inquisitorial system of trials. Under criminal justice system, there are two main procedures. One is adversarial and another is inquisitorial. Between these two, adversarial has originated from the common law tradition, whereas in inquisitorial system, a civil law tradition is being implemented. The adversarial system was more favored in common law countries. The inquisitorial system is broadly centered in the Europe and European countries. The distinction between adversarial and inquisitorial system is mainly based on the participation of the judge. In the modern adversarial system, it is a change between a private vengeance system where the victim takes revenge against the offender. In the inquisitorial system, the judge participates mostly to know the truth of the incident and the manner of committing the offense. Under the inquisitorial system, there will be a public investigator, and his duty is to investigate the case. In the adversarial system, it is an accused based system where a contest will be there made in a judicial arena. The accusatory system is the system that is adopted in India. In the inquisitorial system, the fact finding takes importance and priority over the other. We can have a comparison of these two systems. The table that was prepared by me is self-explanatory. The rules of evidence is strictly followed in adversarial system. In case of a inquisitorial system, the object is to find out the truth, and therefore the procedural aspects should not give way or cause any hindrance in finding the fact. In the adversarial system, the judge acts as an umpire. He will not have any interest either in the prosecutor nor on the accused. He also will not show much interest in the victim. Whereas in case of an inquisitorial system, the judge acts as a director. In other words, he takes a close look into the investigation system. In the case of adversarial system, the object is to arrive at a possible truth. And in the case of inquisitorial system, the object is to get absolute truth. There is no possibility of deviating from the truth. Therefore, the judge involves more in the inquisitorial system, and whereas in adversarial system, the involvement is less. In the adversarial system, it is claimed that there is no possibility because the judge will not involve, whereas in the case of inquisitorial system, because of involvement of the judge, it is felt that there will be a bias. It is claimed that adversarial system is less time consuming and inquisitorial system is more time consuming. But in reality in India, if you notice, it is otherwise round. It is claimed that inquisitorial system is more expensive and adversarial system is less expensive. But in practice, we are noticing otherwise. In case of adversarial system, decisions are based on set principles, and the case of inquisitorial system is based on the individual talent. Similarly, the system is considered fair for the accused in adversarial system, and in the inquisitorial system, it is fair to the victim. These, among other differences, you can safely conclude that procedural aspects are strictly followed and system is strictly implemented in adversarial system without judge being involved into the matter, and there will be a prosecution and a defense, and judge remains as an umpire. And in inquisitorial system, it aims towards it finding out the truth by a strict investigation effectively directed by the judge, and ultimately the judge takes the decision on elaborate analysis of the findings. In the process, in the adversarial system, precedents are having a binding nature, but whereas in the inquisitorial system, as finding the truth and absolute truth being necessity, the precedents have got less importance. This is for today. Thank you.